Good morning, children, and once again, welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to study one chapter from your English book Flamingo. And the chapter which we will study today, that chapter is The Last Lesson, written by Alfonso. So, what this chapter is about? In the chapter, we will see a young boy whose name is Franz. Franz is from France, and France was captured by not whole of France, two districts of France. They fell in hand of Germany because the story when it was written, it was the time of war, and during the war, two districts of France were in hand of Germany. And when Germany captured those two districts, a new rule was imposed on the people living in that or in those two districts. What was that rule? That rule was that in those two districts, French language will not be spoken. Instead of French, the people of those two districts were supposed to speak German language. This boy, whose name was Franz, the school in which he studied, he hated his teacher, Mr. Hamel. And this boy, by nature, he was a very playful boy, and at the same time, he was very sensitive also. So, what happened? Actually, he was given some assignment by the teacher. So that day, that particular day, this boy was feeling uncomfortable because he had not prepared his homework, whatever task was given by the teacher. So because of that, he was feeling uncomfortable. But when he reached the school, he was surprised. And what were those changes which surprised this boy, Franz? He saw that that particular day, his teacher, Mr. Hamel, was wearing his best dress, and beside the students, some old people of the village were also attending the classes or class of Mr. Hamel, which was very much surprising for this boy because the school was meant for children, but that day some old people of the village, they were also attending the class of Mr. Hamel. This boy, when he came to know that today what Mr. Hamel was teaching in the class was the last class of Mr. Hamel, and from that day onwards, all the lessons the people in those two districts will study in German, and French, their native language, their mother tongue, was not going to be taught in the school. This boy was very much surprised, and after getting this news, he was very remorseful also. It was quite a shock for him as he came to know that now French language which he used to speak will not be taught in the school. It was no less than a shock for this boy. And this boy who hated his teacher, Mr. Hamel, when he came to know that Mr. Hamel is going to leave the school and today is his last day in the school, he was very, very unhappy after getting this news, and he started repenting. He started thinking that why for such a long time he ignored the lessons of Mr. Hamel, why for such a long time he was ignoring his subject, his language, French. The teacher constantly was trying to tell him different things regarding French language, but this boy always ignored it. And today, when he came to know about this news that French will no longer be taught in the school, he was very displeased by this news.